Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate webhook calls in Zapier integrations, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate webhook calls in Zapier integrations, start by logging into your Zapier account. Navigate to the dashboard and click on Make as App. Select the trigger application that will send data to the webhook. Choose the Webhooks by Zapier app option. Select the Catch Hook Trigger event. Click on Continue to generate a unique webhook URL. Copy this webhook URL to your clipboard. Now, go to the application that will send the webhook request. In this application, locate the settings for outgoing webhooks. Paste the copied URL into the relevant field for your webhook. Next, configure the additional settings for your webhook. This may include the method type, such as POST or GET, based on your needs. Include any necessary headers to ensure proper authentication. Common headers might include API keys, tokens, or custom authentication headers. It's crucial to match these headers with what your receiving application expects. After setting up the webhook in your external application, send a test request. Return to Zapier and click the Test Trigger button. Zapier will look for the incoming data from the webhook. Once the data is received, confirm that the connection is successful. If the test fails, double-check your webhook settings and authentication headers. Once verified, proceed to the next step in your Zap. You can now add an action to your Zap to process the incoming data. This could be storing the data in a Google Sheet, sending an email, or any other supported action. After setting up the action, you can finalize your Zap settings. Make sure to name your Zap appropriately for future reference. Finally, turn on your Zap to enable the webhook integration. Monitor any incoming calls to ensure your authentication is working as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.